For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to create a computerized resource, the biggest digital currency that would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, between tradability, and power. Every one of the obstacles and inventive whimsies encompassing digital currencies were settled when Charles Hoskinson authored Cardano. Cardano Establishment, the People Group Impressions. The People Group at the Cardano project expects to convey financial additions to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of instructing and alarming them on all the lowdown of the crypto world. The establishment gave to Cardano Establishment's undertaking has support from InfoResult Hong Kong and Emergo. Embracing the total contract of liability towards financial backer social reason, Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK takes care of the surface. Together, they are liable for editing the inventive peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, composing formal techniques particulars. The entire portfolio is fastidiously examined and evaluated by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is profoundly forceful in spreading mass attention to the advanced resource data upheld by training on blockchain and DeFi areas with ministers, promoters, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate procedures makes Cardano stand apart from its companions and fundamentally influences different industry sections. Frederick Gergard, the CEO, has the vision as of now essentially cut for the corporate. Cardano Establishment has a devoted and top-quality ability base, which will take Cardano higher than ever, and I guess that the following couple of years will be a critical development period for the convention. Cardano, the new redesigns. There were a ton of moves up to Cardano's shrewd agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most effective overhaul. The Alonzo Purple update got a huge change. Brilliant agreements. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens and altered the chain. In addition to that, Cardano saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May, yet the quantity of the crypto wallet has multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have the help step up its versatility to all the more likely oblige the new clients. Hydra is a layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs, which are fit for dealing with 1,000 exchanges each second. On the off chance that it is valid, Cardano will be the most elevated scaling network on the planet. Cardano Specialized Examination. Cardano is the 8th biggest digital money by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has a gigantic market cap of $16,072,554,158. The development is for the most part because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has declared one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. Be that as it may, the year 2022 has not been really ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto lore. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging from 45 cents to 52 cents. The Cardano cost has figured out how to hold solid help of 40 cents. Notwithstanding, after ADA cost hit $1.60 in January, it was exchanging at lower levels. Then, at that point, it had a critical recuperation showing a seriously bullish example supported areas of strength for buy in spite of the unfriendly market patterns from mid-walk. In the wake of penetrating the $1.20 mark, the cost of Cardano confronted a huge rectification and fell underneath $1. As per our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the cryptographic money market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from here on out. At present, the value activity of Cardano reflects combination. Nonetheless, we can expect the continuation of positive cost development towards its past high of $1. On the disadvantage, the ADA/USD could confront transitory revision up to its past help of 38 cents. In any case, according to our Cardano expectations, the cash will record a cost recuperation soon. The ADA coin showed range-bound exchanging, and the cost could begin a cost recuperation in the forthcoming days. This energy might take the coin past its obstruction level. As indicated by this data, we handily anticipated that the fate of Cardano would be brilliant, and the coin recovered its lost energy and raised a ruckus around town mark. The Cardano estimate recommends that the ADA cost could cross the most extreme cost of $2 toward the finish of 2025. The base cost may be around $1.82 according to their ADA cost forecast 2025. In view of our Cardano forecast, it is a terrible long-haul venture. Your ongoing venture might be cheapened in the future as it is a high-risk resource, according to the ADA estimate. Anticipated that the Cardano cost will reach 65 cents by January 2023. The normal most extreme worth is 82 cents. The base worth is 55 cents for January 2023, according to our Cardano cost conjecture. Cardano long-haul cost expectation. The cost is normal towards its next large breakout. The key obstruction level for 2025 and 2030 will be around $2 and $5 separately. To know the genuine development of any altcoin, it becomes essential to differentiate crypto expectations for the exhibition and major examination of digital currencies to that of an altcoin. Cardano is in the 8th position, with a market capitalization of $16,072,554,158 and a splendid future to climb in the position. Cardano Value Forecast 2022. The worth of ADA crypto will have a base, greatest, and normal cost of around 45 cents, 95 cents, and 70 cents for the leftover year of 2022. As per our Cardano Cost Forecast 2022, the rate change is supposed to be around 111% in the crypto market. Cardano Crypto Value Expectation for October 2022. According to our expectations, the typical value, least, and most extreme worth of the ADA token might be around 54 cents, 50 cents, and 58 cents individually for October 2022. ADA value estimate for November 2022. Taking a gander at the past exhibition and future Cardano guide, the most extreme and least ADA cost for November 2022 might be around 68 cents and 60 cents. Separately, simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be 64 cents. Cardano value expectation for December 2022. According to the Cardano estimates, the normal, least, and greatest costs are supposed to be around 85 cents, 75 cents, and 95 cents for the long-term end. In this way, assuming you put cash in Cardano, you might acquire fair benefits because of the cost development. Cardano value expectation 2023. As per our ADA gauges, the coin might exchange a scope of $1.10 to $1.56 for the year 2023, where the base cost is $1.10 and the greatest cost is $1.56. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around $1.33. Cardano value expectation 2024. The base and most extreme costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around $1.30 and $1.75. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost gauge, is supposed to be around $1.53. Cardano value forecast 2025. 2025 is the year when at long last the coin might cross its $2 mark again with a greatest exchanging worth of $2.20. While the base future cost is supposed to be $1.60. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $1.90. Cardano value forecast 2026. The ADA cost could vary somewhere in the range of $1.85 and $2.50 in 2026, where the previous is the least cost and the last option is the most exorbitant cost for the year according to our Cardano cost expectation. The typical worth expected for the year is $2.18. Cardano value expectation 2027. As per our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and greatest costs for the year are supposed